Now let's add a gallery. So this is this section on a home page, and go to sections and gallery. And here we can choose to upload our own images, but for this exercise I will be using only 3 images from Shopify. First of all, you can choose whether this section will be extra small, medium, small, or large. So obviously extra small is really good for logos, so this is useful. Small is a little bit bigger, large could be, yeah, could be good as well, but I will stick with the original layout, the default gallery. And so show overlay, I'll just change the color to our darker green. Text color is okay. And okay, but this icon didn't disappear, so let's change the, what about if I increase? Okay, that's better. Now let's upload images. So click the first image and explore 3 images. You can select obviously your own image and upload it. Let's find something from other sections. So this is the first image I like. I will select it and optimize it. So let's optimize the layout. Let's hope that it will display good. And obviously don't forget to define your alt text. Let's move it to the right. Okay, so that's better. Now you can change the icon. So instead of check mark, you can choose a leaf or some other icon. Okay, I like the leaf. It really matches the image. And you tell a title. I added eco-friendly clothing, and you can choose to link the whole section to your collection, your product, or a page. Let's say I want to link it to the collection, so I'll click on collections and select one of the collections. Now if I like it, I can click save or optimize the rest of the images. And now I uploaded all 3 images, I added titles and changed icons. And if you like how they display, simply click save.